Good day, traders. Before we start, we have a disclosure here. And today is 12:58 p.m. Eastern Time, 10th of May, Wednesday. This is an A and a B scalper here, and those A and a B scalper based on turn on, turn off. There is no trailing stop loss required. Neither optimization is required. And you cannot backtest or forward test these strategies. They are just on and off. That's all what you have to do. If we are looking at the NASDAQ across the border, it is really down. On the B scalper, 150 ticks is down. On the NASDAQ, 1 minute B scalper is down. Not much on NASDAQ A scalper, 150 ticks, and a little bit better results on the NASDAQ 1 minute. We have to show the green and the red. And if we notice for the last few months, the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones, they're not really stable market like the 30-year Treasury bond or the CL. Not long time ago, everybody shined away from the CL because it became really hard to trade. But lately, the CL for the last few months is a very consistent market, whether you are manual trading or you are auto trading the CL. Even on the institutional auto trade today, we had 2 trades on the CL on 150 ticks, and it did a very nice job, 730 until now. So this is not bad at all. So on the CLES 30-year Treasury bond, they are pretty good market. Even the gold are a bit stable. But lately, the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones, whether you are a manual trader or an automated trader, usually, I don't know why, if you are using a higher time frame, yes, you can get away with it. But when we are using 1 minute, this is a very hard part to use the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones. But we cannot change anything because we are, for the last few years, we've been using the 1 minute and 150 ticks. We cannot change the time frame, not today and not tomorrow. And like some other where one day they show you range, minute, rank bar, and the question is what you're going to be using the second day. So we are on a consistent showing all the markets on the same time frame to get an idea on the performance and the consistency. Let's look at the NinjaTrader 8 swing trading. Also, if we look on the CL today, this is swing trading, automated, manual, or fully automated. You can use those signals, and you can enter by automated or fully automated or manual trading, and those signals, they plot itself on the market analyzer. It is based on one market, one lot, 1 minute. And if we notice now, the total here is 251 ticks on all of them. If we notice here the CL, where we had the buy entry today at 46.44, so you can manual trade it, or you can auto trade it, or you can ATM that market. And this is a pretty good 116 ticks on that CL so far from the entry base on one lot, one target, and that it is very nice. And if we notice here, the 30-year Treasury bond has already hit the target. And the Forex are doing okay. Now there is a little turnaround, and we have a new signals coming up. And then you have the new signal. But this is what is nice about today. If we notice, the 30-year Treasury bond usually goes the opposite direction of the ES and NASDAQ and Dow Jones. And we have a sell on the 30-year Treasury bond, where on the ES we have a buy, NASDAQ is a buy, YM is a buy. That it is given the trader a direction in the market, and whether you are auto trading or manual trading, all our trades or all our auto trades, I don't have time to do that. But from the A scalper, B scalper, C scalper, this is the C scalper. You can direct also your direction if you want to go short only or long only or close position or pose. So this is on all our auto trades. Like this one here, the institutionals also have the same buttons, and the A scalper and the B scalper. So for the guys that don't want to get involved emotionally with that, they can direct this market on the way you're looking at that market. Folks, this is all what we have. This is a wrap up. It's 1 o'clock. I think we are done for today. No use to sit down. Beautiful results across the border. EMD, we had 43 takes. The DAX is a new contract right now. YM 33 takes. NASDAQ 32 takes. ES 15 takes. And a 30-year Treasury bond, it is 13 takes. And this is a beautiful, smooth ride. No use to stay behind the computer all day long. If we notice here on the euro dollar, now we have a direction on the sell, and here is the plot automatically the target. And this is what nice about that target is between those two dead zones, those two yellow lines, which they are very, very accurate, and it is amazing. And then once you hit this target, there is no longer today the euro dollar is in order to go any farther short on that market. The same principle today, if you see, is 47.68. 47.68 is the target on the CL, and there is no way the CL now hit this dead zone here, the yellow line. Once this market hit this yellow line, that's mean we are getting ready for reversal, and the CL, there is no way. I cannot say there is no way, but the probability is that CL is not gonna go over that area. Okay, folks, that's all what we have for today. God bless you all, and see you another day. Bye for now.